Now in our digital dive, hundreds of people are reacting to the news that nurses at Children's Minnesota are going to be furloughed. Yeah, the hospital has a tentative agreement to furlough 181 nurses for at least 4 weeks as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. The cost-saving measure comes several weeks after Governor Tim Walz signed an order to temporarily postpone elective surgeries in order to conserve PPE. Yesterday, Walz extended Minnesota's stay-at-home order until May 18th, but said he's going to be revisiting the elective surgery ban in the coming days. Children's Minnesota has already put furloughs and pay cuts in place for other workers. The nurses union will vote on the plan later today, but we had a lot of people talking about the story. A lot of our Sunrisers really fired up about this one. Jessica says it's unfortunate and unacceptable. These nurses should be given raises for their courage and work on the front lines, not cut hours and positions. Carmen thinks it seems short-sighted. Good employers would hang on to employees through the thin times so the employees are there for the busy ones. But Laurel thinks that they'll be hired back soon. Elective surgeries will be back as long as people follow social distancing and mask guidelines. And Gia, it is unfortunate anytime we see anyone furloughed at any position, at any job. But again, as we said, Governor Walz might bring back elective surgeries. Who knows? He's going to be talking about that again later this week.
Yeah, this is a tough one because, for one, yes, we know the nurses are doing amazing work right now, yet there are some people who say, hey, they still want a hospital to come back to after this. So we'll see if this one plays out. Alicia, thank you.